Hello children, today we will be doing the exercise part. Here one preparation is given. Page number 40, English literature book, lesson number 4. Did you notice how many people there are there in Satya's family? Did you notice? He calls them by various names in the mother tongue, that is Tamil. In Tamil, Appa is known as father, Amma is known as mother, Akka is the elder sister, and Tatatta means the grandfather. I already told you. Now form groups and talk about your family members. What do you call them in your mother tongue? Now note down the words. Talk about how you spend time with your family. What you have to do is, here in the empty space, what you will do in your mother tongue. Mother tongue is what? What you speak at home. What kind of language do you speak? Either you speak Bengali, Hindi, English, Tamil, Malayalam, whatever language do you what you speak, you have to write what you call your mother, father, sister, brother or grandparents. You have to write it here, and then you have to talk about them in the that how you spend your time with your family. Just sit with your mother and father. This is the right time because we all are at home, so we can have how we spend time. You all just sit together and you can have a 2 or 3 minutes or 5 minutes talk with each other. So this is a group activity which you have to do with your family. Now coming up to the page number 41, this is what is this given? True or false? Satya's Appa asks him to sit quietly. True. Appa tells Satya not to break anything. False. Why? Because Appa has not told. Satya's teacher asks him not to disturb the class. True. Satya goes to the farm on Sunday. True. Satya's Amma teaches in a school. False. Satya is an imaginative child. Yes, it is false. Because like this, children are there in our society also who cannot sit for a while also, and they want to love, they want to jump, they want to play, they want to watch TV, like here and there. They want to move here and there with their mother, father, the smaller children, the siblings and there. So this type of children are there. So Satya is an imaginative child. False. Now these are question answers. Question answers I will be giving you in the next video. Come to this one. List the words from the text used to describe the movement of these animals. In the book we have already learnt about these movements. So deer. As like a deer, Satya sprints. So S-P-R-I-N-T-S. As snake, Satya slitters. S-L-I-T-H-E-R-S. As langur, Satya leaps. L-E-A-P-S. Now turn the page. Frog swims. Just like frog, what he was doing? He was swimming. S-W-I-M-S. Goat. Just like a goat, he was swimming. Jumping. J-U-M-P. And just like a vulture, he was gliding. G-L-I-D-I-N-G. Now, here is the next exercise. Look at the picture. Write the correct words to complete these sentences. Now, here is the picture. Can you see this picture? Yes. Now, according to this picture, we have to tick here some words which are given. The family. What is this family doing? This family is either cleaning or painting. They are cleaning the room. So, cleans. The woman is dusting. See the feather in the hand? So, the woman is dusting. The woman dusts the table lamp. The man vacuums. He is having a vacuum cleaner in his hand. So the man vacuums the shelf. The girl mops the table. The girl is mopping. She is having a cloth in her hand with a bucket. So the girl mops the table. The boy wipes the window. The boy wipes the window. So today we will be doing till here only. In the next one we will be doing in the next video. Till then, write in your book, not in the copy, only in the book. Thank you, children.